So this time only HIFU we are doing. We will do glutathione because it's IV. It has nothing to do on face. That I'm going to continue. So that is what we are planning for her face. And this is how you will take a face step by step. After HIFU, we can wait for a month and when we can decide to go for thread lift after that if needed. So I'll wait for a month or so and then I'll take a call if I want to add more threads to it. So after the thread lift has been done, meanwhile I'll do Botox also for removing all fine lines, etc. And if needed, then only I'll add more fillers to her face. And meanwhile, we are already doing peels for her. So I started with a very mild peel because whenever you start with a peel, you don't do heavy peels. You have to make sure the patient's skin can take it. So I started with mild in first sitting. I went to moderate in second sitting. In the third sitting, I gave even a stronger peel. And in the next sitting, now after HIFU, this time I'm not going to do any peel because it's a heat energy. Already skin is sensitive. So you cannot do peel immediately. Otherwise, it will hyperpigment the skin. You'll have to give time for skin to breathe. So this time only HIFU we are doing. We will do glutathione because it's IV. It has nothing to do on face. That I'm going to continue. After that, in the next sitting, we'll take a call about her thread or HIFU option. And peel at the same time I can do. So I'll go for an even stronger peel next time. So that is what we are planning for her face. And this is how you will take a face step by step.